Okay, when working with fonts in Vizrt, there are several tools within the properties editor that will help you, and one of these tools is the characters. So if we're in our font properties, we have our text basics that we've already covered. We also have this characters box up here, and the way that this works is, let me just move our font over, is that we can take one of these characters and just drag it up into our text editor window, and it adds that character. So if you needed special characters, you can see that we have a bunch of them here that you can use. So it's as simple as dragging one of these characters up into your text editor so that you can use it within the scene. So even though you can double click on your font over here and edit it within the scene editor window, you cannot have it highlighted and drag one of these special characters in there. The characters have to go up into the text editor window. So using the characters, you can use special characters such as like a copyright or maybe a registered trademark, which are already in the system here for you to use, and you don't have to go out to the external program, make one, and then import the font that way. So again, it's just as simple as coming down into your characters, choosing one character that you might need, and just sliding it up into the text editor window. And that's what these characters do within the font properties window.